Noodles have a fascinating history in China that spans over 4,000 years. During this time, the creativity of the Chinese people has led to an incredible variety of noodle dishes, nearly 1,000 different types. Here are a few delicious noodles you should definitely try when you visit China. Lanzhou beef noodles. These noodles come from Lanzhou in Gansu province and are one of the most popular noodle dishes in China. You can find them in many restaurants across the country. Skilled chefs can craft these noodles in a range of thicknesses, from delicate strands as fine as threads to wide strips that are nearly 2 fingers across. The quality of the noodles is assessed by 5 key standards, known as 1 clear, 2 white, 3 red, 4 green, 5 yellow. In simpler terms, this means the beef broth should be clear and aromatic, the radish slices should be fresh and white, the chili oil should be vibrant red, the coriander and garlic sprouts should be bright green, and the noodles themselves should be smooth and yellow. Together, these 5 elements create a delicious bowl of noodles. Shaanxi knife-cut noodles. These noodles get their unique name from the method used to make them. Chefs shave the dough with a knife into flat, irregular pieces. The noodles are thick in the center and taper to thin edges, resembling the graceful shape of willow leaves. They have a smooth exterior and a chewy interior that becomes more fragrant with every bite. Popular toppings include rich tomato sauce, savory meat sauce, and hearty lamb soup. Biang noodles. Hailing from the Guangdong region of Shaanxi, Biang noodles are named after the sound made when they are slapped against a kneading board during preparation, biang. Interestingly, there's no official Chinese character for biang, so locals created a unique character just for this dish. These hand-pulled noodles are wide and long, resembling the belts worn in ancient times. To prepare them, the noodles are boiled and then dressed with a mix of soy sauce, vinegar, green onions, and chili pepper, all topped with sizzling hot oil. The result? A delightful combination of flavors and textures. Hanan braised noodles. A beloved dish in Hanan province, braised noodles are known for their rich broth, crafted by simmering tender mutton and bones for over 5 hours, resulting in a creamy, milk-like consistency. To make the dish, thin strips of noodles are pulled and added to the broth, along with tasty extras like shredded seaweed, tofu, and even quail eggs. You can customize it with seafood too. Serve it with a side of cilantro, chili oil, and garlic for an extra kick. Wuhan Hot Dry Noodles. Hot dry noodles are a breakfast favorite in Wuhan, Hubei province. Made with alkaline water, these noodles are boiled and then tossed in a luscious blend of sesame butter, oil, scallions, garlic, and soy sauce. The result is a beautifully oily and flavorful dish that locals can't resist. Sichuan Dandan Noodles. A classic from Sichuan province, Dandan Noodles are named after the street vendors who used to carry them in baskets on poles, called dandan. These thin noodles are served in a rich broth with red chili oil, sesame butter, and chopped green onions, delivering a salty, slightly spicy punch that is incredibly fragrant. Alho Noodles. Also known as Taihe Bangmian, these noodles come from Taihe County in Alho province. Similar to Biang noodles, They are slapped on a kneading board and pulled into long strips. After cooking, they're served in savory beef broth, topped with marinated beef, eggs, and fresh vegetables, resulting in a fresh and flavorful dish. Guizhou soft tofu noodles. A popular snack from Sunyi, this dish features noodles served with a bowl of creamy soybean milk and some soft tofu. While it may not look very appetizing, what truly brings this dish to life is the chili dipping sauce made from baked chili peppers, garlic, scallions, and soy sauce. Some variations even include minced meat, peanuts, or diced chicken for added flavor. However, a key ingredient in any dipping sauce is mint, which provides a refreshing kick that surprises and delights the taste buds. Guangzhou wonton noodles. Guangzhou wonton noodles are a delicious combination of noodles, wontons, and flavorful broth. Wontons are similar to dumplings but have thinner and softer wrappers. A great bowl of wonton noodles focuses on three key elements: chewy and thin noodles, wontons filled with a blend of 70% lean pork and 30% fat, or fresh shrimp and crab roe, and a rich soup base made from dried halibut and pork bones. Fuzhou thread noodles. Dating back to the Song dynasty, Fuzhou thread noodles are known for their thin, soft, and chewy texture. After being made, they are hung out to dry in the sun, a beautiful sight. A classic way to enjoy these noodles is by cooking them in a rich broth made with tender lamb, duck, or pork chops, seasoned with local wine and chopped green onions. They can also be stir-fried with seafood for an extra twist. These noodle dishes are not just meals. They are a delicious journey through China's rich culinary heritage, each bowl telling its own story through flavors and textures. From fragrant broths to tantalizing sauces, every bite is an adventure waiting to unfold. Which one are you most excited to explore?